Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve, and we're going to try and get you through your Monday morning.
And I'm Scott.
And together with the Science and Technology channel, Backyard Musings.
Yep, and we're talking about some space, some astronomy today, so buckle up. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope's coming up. We like that.
Yep.
James Webb and Hubble. So
Betelgeuse's long-standing mystery has been cracked. A hidden companion star is literally reshaping the giant from the inside out. Astronomers using new data from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, along with observations from ground-based telescopes, have uncovered fresh evidence of a companion star shaping the environment around Betelgeuse. The study, led by researchers at the Center for Astrophysics, Harvard, and Smithsonian, shows that the companion star, known as Siwarha, is stirring up dense streams of gas within Betelgeuse's enormous outer atmosphere. These findings help explain the unusual changes scientists have observed in the star's brightness and behavior. Would you like to know more?
the research was presented on January 5th, 2026 during a news conference at the 247th meeting of the American Astronomical Society in Phoenix and has been accepted for publication in the Astrophysical Journal. The research team identified the influence of Siwarha by closely monitoring subtle shifts in Betelgeuse's light over nearly 8 years. These long-term observations revealed signs of a once theoretical companion star moving through the red supergiant's extended atmosphere. As the companion travels through the gas surrounding Betelgeuse, it creates a trail of denser material similar to a wake.
This detection resolves a major question that has puzzled astronomers for decades. By confirming the presence of a companion star, scientists can now better explain how Betelgeuse behaves and how massive stars evolve during the final stages of their lives.
Betelgeuse lies about 650 light years from the Earth in the constellation Orion. It is a red supergiant, so vast that more than 400 million suns could fit inside it. Wow.
That is huge.
That
400 million suns.
That's huge. Its immense size and relative closeness make it one of the few stars whose surface and surrounding atmosphere can be directly studied, offering astronomers a rare opportunity to observe how giant stars age, lose mass, and eventually explode as supernovae.
Using Hubble, along with telescopes at the Fred Lawrence Whipple Observatory and the Roque de los Muchachos Observatory, the researchers detected repeating patterns in Betelgeuse's behavior. These patterns pointed to the presence of a long-suspected companion and revealed how it affects the star's outer layers.
The data showed changes in Betelgeuse's spectrum, which is in the range of colors emitted by different elements, as well as shifts in the speed and direction of gas in its atmosphere. These changes are linked to a trail of denser material left behind by the companion star. This wake appears shortly after the companion passes in front of Betelgeuse, roughly every 6 years, or about 2,100 days, matching predictions from earlier theoretical models.
Quote, "It's a bit like a boat moving through water. The companion star creates a ripple effect in Betelgeuse's atmosphere that we can actually see in the data," said Andrea Dupree, an astronomer at the CFA and lead author of the study. And continuing her quote, "For the first time, we're seeing direct signs of this wake or trail of gas, confirming that Betelgeuse really does have a hidden companion shaping its appearance and behavior."
Astronomers have been monitoring Betelgeuse for years, trying to understand why its brightness and surface features change over time. Interest surged in 2020 when the star unexpectedly dimmed, an event often called as a stellar sneeze. Scientists identified two main cycles in its variable, a shorter 400-day cycle linked to pulsations within the star, and a longer secondary cycle lasting about 2,100 days.
I just keep thinking about the 400 million suns. If you line those up next to each other, then that's like from the distance here to Earth or right around there. I mean, it's so massive. I wonder what planets are orbiting it. It's just, it blows my mind.
Yeah.
Over the years, researchers explored many possible explanations for Betelgeuse's long-term changes, including massive convection cells, dust clouds, magnetic effects, and the idea of an unseen companion. Recent studies suggested that the longer cycle was best explained by a low-mass star orbiting deep within Betelgeuse's atmosphere. While one team reported a possible detection, there have been no direct proof until now.
The newly observed wake provides the first clear evidence that a companion star is actively disrupting the atmosphere of this red supergiant. Quote, the idea that Betelgeuse had an undetected companion has been gaining in popularity for the past several years, but without direct evidence. It was an unproven theory. That's according to Dr. Dupree. I don't remember if we mentioned him, I did, or her, but anyway. With this new direct evidence, Betelgeuse gives us a front row seat to watch how a giant star changes over time. Finding the wake from its companion means we can now understand how stars like this evolve, shed the material, and eventually explode as supernova. Yeah, we talked about that earlier.
From Earth, Betelgeuse is currently eclipsing its companion star, but astronomers are already planning new observations when the companion emerges again in 2027. Researchers believe this discovery may also help solve similar mysteries surrounding other giant and supergiant stars.
Supergiant is right.
And what it sounds like from this, it sounds like this companion inside the atmosphere of Betelgeuse. So it's inside that, like corona or whatever. You know, it's not like it's orbiting a couple Earth lengths away.
Right. Yeah, no, this is fascinating.
Crazy,
Yeah.
Fascinating, crazy.
Yeah, very.
I wonder
very
if
huge.
it would eventually have such a tight spiral that it, boom, it merges, you know, with the core of Betelgeuse. You know, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you heard it here.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the afternoon.
Take care, everyone. Thanks.